What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I just finished the Harley group owner ride on a CBR650R. I was the only person not on a Harley Davidson. They were all very accepting of it though. That's going to be my last video, so if you want to see that, go check out my last video. This video is same day. I just hit the 300 mile mark. I'm headed back home really quick, and 300 mile mark means the end of the Honda break-in period. So I'm gonna go grab some oil and some chain lube and stuff like that, and I'm gonna head home and change my oil and stuff really quick before I head back out. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of that. All right, guys, just made it to Action Power Sports. So I'm gonna grab some oil and a filter, and then we're gonna run home and start changing the oil on this bad girl. Alright, so I went and got the stuff. So I got 3 quarts of 10W30 motorcycle oil from Honda, and I also got the Honda oil filter here. Really quick, what I did was put the motorcycle on this 2x4 so it holds the bike upright. I also managed to wedge that little plastic thing under there, and then now all that's next is to take off the bolt, drain the oil, take off the fuel filter, and then just replace it all really quick, so it should be fairly easy. Alright, hopefully you guys can see that. Oh, got my hand in it. Fuck. Looks like there are some tiny little oil pieces. The oil looks pretty gross. I've seen a few little metal sparkles, but not a ton. It looks very clean, actually. Not getting any oil on the fenders, which is always nice. Oil looks really, really good, actually. Not seeing anything super concerning. So I'm just gonna let it drain for a minute. Then I'll pull the pan out and show you guys the pan. I do see some sparkles in there though. So I just took the pan out. You can see some sparkles. Some little areas where there has been a little bit of metal in that oil. Where there has been some friction, scrape some metal off there. So there's a little bit of dirt and stuff in here too, but you should be able to see the metal reflecting off also. Not a whole lot though, not as much as I was expecting. So I put that little bolt on there. Next I'm going to change the filter, which is under there right next to the drain plug. So I was able to get the oil filter out. There's a little more metal that was stuck inside of the oil filter. I don't know how much of it you guys can see. Yeah, I don't know how much is showing up, but got the filter out. I'm gonna put the new filter in and then put the oil in. Alright, so filling it back up with oil now. Obviously don't be stupid. Read your owner manual. Whenever you put the filter on, put a little bit of oil on the little O-ring around the filter. For the CBR650R, it's 3 quarts if you change the oil with the filter. The owner manual for the CBR650R says that the break-in period ends at around 300 miles, but not to do your first oil change until 600 miles. I'm gonna do my first oil change at 300, and then I'm gonna do another one at 1,000, and then every 1,000 miles or every season after. So I'm gonna start pouring this stuff in now, and hopefully it takes it all up. And then after I fill it all up, I'm gonna stand it upright, check the level, make sure it's good, and then make sure there's no leaks or anything. And after that, clean up any excess oil on the bike, and then should be all good to go. So that's first quart right there. Alright, so I just put these 3 quarts in here. I'm gonna start it up now for a couple seconds, and then gonna check the level and then make sure there's no leaks. Alright, so I pulled the motorcycle out, cleaned out the garage a little bit, made sure that everything was tight and there weren't any leaks or anything like that. Oil's full, so we should be all good to go. That's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you guys this really quick, how to do it, for those of you who might not know. And that's it, so thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day.